Hi, I'm a child of the 80s. I've been using spreadsheet applications for almost 40 years. I started in 1981. Bless my heart. So trust me, I know those good old-fashioned keyboard shortcuts that are still productive today, because that's all we had was a keyboard. So I love my good old-fashioned keyboard shortcuts. So in my fundamentals class that I have for Excel, I teach you these shortcuts and so many more. For Excel, for example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a table, just a table, copy it, put it into a new workbook, and save it. So we love our good old keyboard shortcuts like Control P for print, Control O for open, and so on. So I'm going to use some of my favorite ones, but let me show you. I'm going to click inside of my table here. Now usually Control A selects everything. However, in Excel, when you click in a table, I do Control A, it selects only that table. I'm ready to copy it, so I press C for copy. I'm ready for a new workbook, I press N for new. I'm ready to paste it, so I press Control V. I think of Control V as Velcro, make it stick like paste. And then I'm ready to save it, so I do Control S for save. I name my wonderful January table file here and press enter. Never touch the mouse, never tap the screen. Let me show you one more cool little shortcut. Notice I have my evil pound signs here. Oops, that's for the baby boomer. For the younger generation, they're called hashtags. In Excel, I call it frustrating and annoying. The information cannot fit in my column. So what I want to do is I'm going to auto-fit my entire worksheet at once rather than going through each column to auto-fit. So watch the magic. I click my Select All button. I'm going to double click between any one of my two columns. I go click, click, and voila! Excel magically auto-fits all of my columns in this worksheet in one step. So we love our keyboard shortcuts. If you'll visit gregcreech.biz, I have got shortcut sheets for you for Microsoft Office and 365 and Windows 10. So enjoy using those good old-fashioned keyboard shortcuts. Take my fundamentals class for excelling at Excel and you'll learn this and so much more. So what was old is new again, and enjoy using those good old-fashioned keyboard shortcuts from the 80s. Thank you.